Hey guys, this is 2022, and I'm getting ready to start a tier list.
Never done it.
Sexiest female Naruto characters tier list.
Hottest,
Hottest tier list.
hottest female Naruto
Same thing.
characters.
And there's the list right there. Super hot, good, okay, big butt,
Big ass.
being a big ass. I'm trying not to swear. Sexy but dumb. Girl need help. And Karen, where's she gonna fall under?
What do you mean?
Mm, ain't showing much in the anime, so she don't need help. I'll just put her in sexy but dumb because she did put Itachi, or
How?
she tried to put Itachi in the Genjutsu. No, just stop.
Was that stupid?
It was kind of dumb.
Wait, that was a stupid idea?
hmm And now we got this girl. She didn't show much.
What about
Uh,
Pakura? Was it? Pakura, was it?
yeah, whatever her name was. And this
It is
girl,
Pakura.
top tier, 10/10.
Cool.
And
Boo.
Fu,
The
uh,
seven-tailed Jinchuriki.
she tried to fight Hidan in Kakuzu, but she do got does she need help?
No.
Uh, I'll put it right here.
Why you put it there?
You can't fight top tier shinobis like Kakuzu and Hidan by yourself.
Wait,
Like,
was that stupid?
yeah, I'll say it's stupid.
How's that stupid?
Like, she should have had some help. And this
Wait,
girl, top tier. Uh,
Tsunade. Shoot.
let's see.
Shinju.
This girl, Shizune, I think. She's she look okay.
No.
I'll put it right there.
But Boo died that day.
Sakura,
Wait.
um, there's no, she need help.
Why?
Like,
Girl need help. Why? Why would you put her there?
again, Sasuke tried to murder her, and she's married him,
She
and
married her.
her, oh,
That's a.
yeah,
You can't
yeah.
just leave one there.
Yeah, I got,
Leave
yeah.
only one.
Okay, fine. She do got a big butt. Okay,
What you
fine.
doing? Oh, you can just put that.
Hinata,
You could.
yeah. Now, what I say about Karin? Um, I'll put it right there. I like Karin. She's funny.
Kareem.
Uh, she,
Well,
yeah.
Ino.
You know what? Nah,
Sakura's rival.
I just can't. Uh, I'll put her right. I'll put her top tier. Uh,
Boo.
now what I say about the Gurren, whatever her name is.
Who?
I guess
Give me a hint.
sh
What? Wait a minute.
sh she did put Hinata in that ice technique. Um,
Is that?
and she'll put it right there. Yeah, right there. Yeah, because
Wait.
Hinata look way. All these girls look a lot
Is
better
that
than she
Uncle?
do. So yeah,
Wait. Is that Uncle?
I have no idea.
Wait.
Oh, her name May. She yeah, her butt's big. Yeah. Um, which had she go to Sound 4 girl? She did lose to uh, Tamari. I'll put it right there and put Tamari in top tier because she one shot at her. And Tsunade, I'll put Tsunade in top tier. Um, oh yeah, there's the yeah.
Yeah.
Um, this chick. Let me fix the yeah.
Shinju.
Try to fix the camera.
The Shinju.
I have no idea what her name is. I think she was filler.
You mean the one
Um,
who fought that guy who was
I think she did
reanimated?
save Sakura or something. I'll put her in.
You mean
Yeah,
that? Oh, you mean that guy?
she, nah, Green's better than nah.
She
Yeah.
knew him.
The
You can leave her.
starch chick.
Uh,
Uh, I guess her butt's big or whatever.
wait.
Shizune, did I do Shizune? Oh yeah, and
You did do Suzume.
whatever. And this chick, she looked very good in the when they showed her in the anime. Yeah, right there. 10 always top
TNT.
tier.
Wait.
Fu,
Again.
uh, yeah, there she go.
Wow.
Just two Fus,
Who died at that battle?
top tier. Yeah, I got two of some of these girls. Oh yeah, Naruto.
In his sexy jutsu. Only in his sexy jutsu.
Where? How can I make another list? Review, comment. Uh, where? How? Right here? Or is it right here? Where you see?
What you doing?
Damn it!
What you doing?
Oh, messed up my list. How this? I'll create another list, Nick. Wait a
What
minute.
you doing?
I'm trying to create another list for female Naruto. Uh,
What? Uh,
is that it? Probably not. Nope. Uh, okay, fine. I don't know how to make another list. I'll just put her in top tier. Huh, scared the hell out of me.
you mean Naruto and his sexy jutsu?
Karin. I already put Karin. Where's Karin?
Karin's over there. Down there.
Where's it? Down. Okay, fine. I'll put it right here. Eno. I think I already got Eno. Yeah, top tier. Uh, the black chick. Of course, she represents the black. Yeah, top tier. What about?
Well, Christina.
She's very powerful. Yeah, I already got
Huh?
Goring. Yeah, May.
Wait, you mean that one?
May's pretty powerful with the water style. She blocked moderate attack, so yeah, she's definitely top tier. Kind of sucks she didn't marry anybody, but whatever.
Well,
I
Koshina.
would definitely like tap that ass, like
What about Koshina?
Korean. I mean, everyone knows she's top tier. Uh,
Koshina?
yeah, there's a lot of good women in Naruto right now,
You mean,
and
oh, it's,
oh
yeah,
yeah,
Koshina.
yeah, right. And all right, that's there. And
Wow. You can just leave those.
uh,
You leave those there.
well, I put Tsunade.
Yeah. I think you put too much.
Yeah. And that's all the chicks in the Naruto verse.
Wow.
All right. Y'all have a good one. Good night, people.